JSPM Narhe Technical Campus has received an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. The university has 6 campuses across Maharashtra. Today we will focus on the Narhe campus in Pune. How are the ME/MTech courses offered here? Let's explore this in detail, starting with the placements rated 3.8 stars. Students report that the top recruiters like IndiaMart, Sumasoft, Sybase Software, Deloitte, Capgemini, Cognizant, TCS and Amazon visit the campus offering roles such as software developer, web developer, senior engineer trainee, design engineer, project manager and research analyst. The highest package ranged between 8 to 10 lakh per annum, while the average package was between 3 to 4 lakh per annum. When compared to the neighbouring institutions like Sinhgarh College of Engineering and AISSMS College of Engineering, the average package for ME across all 3 years is on par. Regarding internships, reviews were mixed. Around 30 to 40% of students secured internships with companies like Tata and Renu Electronics. However, some mechanical engineering students reported no internships for mechanical branch, though at least one internship was arranged for others. Moving on now to the academics, where JSPM Technical Campus offers a 2-year ME/MTech program with a 3.9 star rating. The program includes 3 specializations: computer engineering, mechanical engineering, and electronics and telecommunication engineering. Admissions are based on GATE or MHT-CET scores, with eligibility requiring a minimum of 50% in graduation. Looking at the closing MHT-CET percentile, competition has intensified in 2024 for electronics and telecommunication engineering compared to 2023, making ETE the most competitive MTech specialization in 2024. Regarding the cost, the total tuition fee for the 2-year program ranges between 20,000 rupees to 1.79 lakhs. Students are eligible for both reserved category and private scholarships. Switching gears to the 3.9 star rated infrastructure. The campus is fully Wi-Fi enabled and includes virtual classrooms, a well-stocked library, and specialized laboratories such as environmental engineering and analog circuit labs. Additionally, students have access to virtual labs and language labs. Hostel facilities are available separate for boys and girls, and students praise the quality of facilities and healthy food options available daily. Various sports facilities are also available, including volleyball, cricket, kabaddi, football, chess, carom, table tennis, and a fully functional gym. Additional facilities at the campus include DCD studio, gymnasium, medical facility, ATM, and cafeteria. Turning our attention to faculty and course rated 4 stars. The faculty members are appreciated for their teaching methods and support. The curriculum is designed to prepare students for the industry, and the internal research cell encourages research. Industry partnerships like those with Synergy and Red Hat Academy further enhance the learning experience. Now on to the 3.9 star rated campus life. JSPM offers departmental committees focused on personality development through active participation. The campus hosts vibrant events such as the annual Cultural Fest, Cultural Mania, and the Tech Fest, Tech Expo, both celebrated with great enthusiasm. Additionally, various conferences and workshops are organized to further enhance the campus experience. In terms of the NIRF rankings for 2024, JSPM Narhe is currently unranked. For more detail on JSPM Narhe Technical Campus Pune, Maharashtra, and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.